How to add friends on Real Match. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can add friends on Real Match. Now, the first step is for you to launch your Real Match application after by clicking on it, and then once you click on it, you brought to the page where you'd see a write-up called Dream, and then the next step is for you to wait patiently for your account to load. Once you're on your page and it has loaded, the next step is for you to move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons like areas, leaderboard, home, teams, and collections. So just go to a leaderboard icon and then click on it. Then after clicking on the leaderboard page, you can see friends, you can see players, teams, friends list, add friends. Just go ahead and click on add friends since you're trying to add a new friend. And then the next step would be for you to enter in your friend user ID in here, click on search, and then once the friend has been found, you'll be able to invite the person to be your friend. The another way is by inviting friends, as you can see here. So just click on invite friends, and so after doing that, you'll be able to get a link which you can copy and send to your friends, or you can just share the link to all your social media platforms such that once they click on the link and they download the app, they'll be added as your friends automatically. So this is the major way whereby you can invite friends on Real Match. Thank you for watching and have a good day.